My child only seizes during the sleep-wake cycle. In your experiences, will this likely stay consistent, or have you seen these types of seizures develop into daytime or wake cycle seizures with age?
Okay, it's a very good and very common question. A lot of seizures, tend to happen when there is a change in the state of mind from either sleep to awake or awake to asleep. The theory behind that is that when the brain is waking up from sleep, there is a heightened, tendency for seizures because of certain, chemical instabilities in the brain as we are waking up from the sleep. So that's a very common phenomenon. The seizures happen more when the patient is waking up from sleep. There are certain epilepsy syndromes, in particular, like syndromes like juvenile myoclonic epilepsy or other generalized epilepsies, which are more likely to happen mostly in the morning. And that tendency tends to stay with those kind of epilepsies lifelong. So if it's one of those epilepsy syndromes where the patient has what's called a generalized epilepsy syndrome, means the whole brain is irritable and has a tendency to cause seizures, then those kind of epilepsies tend to have a lifelong association with waking up from sleep. If it's one of the other epilepsy syndrome, not one of the generalized epilepsy syndromes, then it's possible that that characteristic might change with age, and the patient may no longer be sensitive to sleep deprivation, with age. So all depends on what kind of epilepsy this patient has. If they have, in short, generalized epilepsy, then it's very possible they might stay with that tendency of having seizures waking up from sleep.